This gentle and clear gel cleanser goes deep into the pores to help remove grime and condition skin, resulting in a more radiant complexion. Expert-developed deep cleansing formula provides effective hydration, giving you healthy, refreshed, glowing skin. Powerful antioxidant action prevents against free radical damage. Thoughtfully formulated with fine ingredients. Free from parabens, mineral oil, petrolatum, phthalates, propylene glycol, and gluten. Never tested on animals. Thorough yet gentle formula that has been thoroughly tested for sensitivity and irritation. TULA, nourishing your skin with good-for-you ingredients. TULA is a lifestyle brand that empowers women to live healthier, balanced, and more beautiful lives by resetting their beauty regimen. Built on the belief that the same ingredients that are good for your internal health are also great for your skin, TULA products use probiotic technology to deliver skin-nourishing benefits. TULA defends against harmful external bacteria with a proprietary blend of nourishing ingredients, probiotics including yogurt and milk extracts, nutripeptides from hydrolyzed rice, vitamins A, C and E, antioxidants including turmeric, white tea and blueberry extract, and omega-3 and 6 fatty acids derived from wild flax oil. We stand behind our products and want you to love them as much as we do. If for any reason you aren't satisfied with your purchase, you can return it for a refund within 30 days of purchase. TULA does not cover shipping for returned items. Discover balanced and beautiful skin with TULA Probiotic technology. Order now. Clean and effective, this foaming gel cleanser goes deep into pores to remove impurities and helps condition skin, without stripping or overdrying. Gentle and nourishing, contains our signature probiotics to leave skin looking nourished and balanced. Good for all, suitable for all skin types and all ages, excellent for dry skin. TULA and PROBIOTICS, TULA is the leader in probiotic skin care. We combine powerful probiotics and skin superfoods for healthy, balanced and glowing skin. All our products are clean, clinically proven, and effective. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.